This may look like the average butterfly, but they are extraordinary. Welcome back to Bug of the Week Part 22, brought to you by Lil Dudes Insect Academy. If you are new here, consider subscribing, dropping a like down below, and maybe even donating to the Academy to help these videos happen and help with all of the other amazing things that we've and myself have been working on. So, without further ado, let's just jump right into this episode. This is the genus of Heliconius, otherwise known as the long-winged butterfly or the postman butterfly. Comprising of about 45 species, long-winged butterflies are certainly one of the most bizarre and diverse genuses of butterfly out there. Long-winged butterflies can be found all over the tropical rainforests of South America, all the way up to the southern United States. Now let's start by talking a little bit about their anatomy. Firstly, their heads. These butterflies have extremely large heads when compared to their bodies. The long-winged butterfly is commonly known as the smartest butterfly, as they have very large brains and complex social interactions. Like many other butterflies, they have a coiling straw-like mouthpart called a proboscis, which they use to suck the nectar from the flowers of plants. They also have a pair of extra-large compound eyes, which have thousands of tiny lenses inside. Some scientists have said that the long-winged butterfly possibly has the best vision of any other butterfly. Next, the antennae. These butterflies have a pair of long, wispy antennae which they use for smelling and the detection of pheromones. Butterflies are heavy users of pheromones of many kinds. Many lepidopterists will sniff butterflies in order to determine certain characteristics, such as the age, sex, and origin of the butterfly. Butterflies themselves use them to attract mates, deter predators, communicate with others, and so much more. Long-winged butterflies are equipped with 3 sets of long, slender legs. They also have a very long and slender abdomen, which houses their pheromone glands, digestive tract, reproductive organs, and so on. Lastly, and most notably, are the wings, which, as you can probably guess, are long. Now, this is where these butterflies get interesting. This is typically what someone is talking about when they mention the long-winged butterfly, the red postman. The interesting thing about these butterflies is that they are found all over the continent of South America, and depending on the region they are located, they have different wing patterns. Poison dart frogs have something similar, and this principle is known as locales. Now, essentially, it is thought that the red postman may be an original ancestor of all the other Heliconius, which all these locales came from. All of the locales have almost the same DNA, which has led us to believe that they are likely closer related than most other species within a genus are to each other. Now, why and how this happens, we are still not sure, so we're still doing research on these butterflies, breeding them selectively, keeping them within enclosed environments, and doing experiments on their genetics and their selective breeding. And it's all very interesting, and how this all came to be, we're really not sure, but that's what's exciting about it. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, again, like I said in the beginning, subscribe, leave a like below, maybe even leave a comment about your favorite fact about the long-winged butterfly and maybe something new that you learned. And with that, I will see you all next week, but until then, keep on bugging.